Hi guys and welcome to our channel. Today's video is dedicated to a luxurious boat trip around the houses of millionaires in Miami. We are excited to take you on a journey of opulence and extravagance as we explore the stunning mansions of the rich and famous. If you are not a subscriber of the channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video and be sure to leave your comment. It will motivate me to make new videos. And now we are passing by the iconic Skyview's Miami Observation Wheel, a must-see attraction in downtown Miami. This giant Ferris wheel stands tall at 176 feet, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline and Biscayne Bay. The wheel has 42 fully enclosed gondolas, each seating up to 6 passengers, providing a comfortable and safe ride for all. It's perfect for a romantic date, a family outing, or a fun adventure with friends.
Hi guys, you want to go on the boat tour living in 10 million?
Now we are in Bayside Marketplace, a popular shopping and entertainment destination located in the heart of downtown Miami. Bayside Marketplace boasts over 120 stores and boutiques, ranging from high-end fashion brands to souvenir shops. Visitors can also find an array of dining options, from casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, serving up everything from seafood to sushi. Additionally, Bayside Marketplace hosts various events and live entertainment, including music performances, cultural festivals, and holiday celebrations. With its stunning views of the bay, lively atmosphere, and diverse offerings, Bayside Marketplace is a must-visit destination for anyone in Miami. Well, you're in luck because Bayside Marketplace is also home to the Island Queen Cruises, which offers a variety of boat tours and excursions of the surrounding area. You can purchase your tickets right here at the marketplace, and then head over to the dock to begin your adventure on the water. Whether you're interested in sightseeing, exploring the local wildlife, or simply relaxing on a scenic cruise, Island Queen Cruises has something for everyone. So, let's buy tickets and go on a boat trip.
I see board pass. Gotcha. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back.
Welcome, Princess. Hey now. Welcome back. You sure to take that? Thank you, yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome aboard the Island Lady. Captain Roy is steering the boat today. Our bartender, his name is Leo. He's downstairs. We have all kind of beer, water, cocktails, margaritas, snacks, anything that you guys need. Leo is gonna take care of you. We're open right now. My name is Jesse. I'm gonna be your narrator, both English and Spanish. There's 150 life jackets located all the way back here on the upper deck, last bench. 2 bathrooms downstairs, back of the boat. outside. And for the smokers, guys, this is a family boat, and the tour is only 90 minutes, so there's no smoking allowed on this boat, okay? 90 minutes, that's it. So. Buenas a todos, ¿hablan español? ¿Parle francés? ¿Fala portugués? Capitán Roy. Capitán Roy nos lleva en este recorrido en el día de hoy. Nuestro bartender se llama Leo. Estamos abiertos abajo en este momento con todo tipo de bebidas frías. Tenemos cerveza, agua, cócteles, margaritas, todo lo que necesiten. En este momento Leo los va a atender. Mi nombre es Jesse, voy a ser su narrador en inglés y en español. Tenemos 150 chalecos salvavidas acá en el segundo piso. En las últimas bancas hay 2 baños, planta baja, parte trasera. Y para los fumadores, the 595 highway or MacArthur Bridge. This is one of the 4 bridges connecting downtown Miami and Miami Beach. Estamos cruzando el puente. That coming up on the right hand side is Joia Beach Club. Joia, Joia. It's a Mediterranean restaurant. If you guys like seafood, this is one of the best in town. A la derecha, el club de playa conocido como La Joya, restaurante de comida mediterránea. Si les gustan los mariscos, se los recomiendo. All right, everybody, these ladies here, they Alright, everybody, coming up on the left hand side, you guys see that small boat lifted on the water. It's a white house covered by landscaping. Belongs to Mexican singer, they call her the Golden Girl, Paulina Rubio. Casa al frente de ese bote, blanca cubierta por vegetación, pertenece a la cantante mexicana, la chica dorada, Paulina Rubio. And then coming up on the left hand side, you're gonna see gray boat on the water. You guys see a gray boat. It's a white house, large windows. There's a big swimming pool on the first floor. Property belongs to Mike Krieger. He's the founder of Instagram. He sold the application for $1 billion when he was 25. He's now 34. And ladies, he's single. You give me $50, I'll give you the phone number. Yeah. Talk to me at the end of the trip. La casa de Mike Krieger, abajo, atrás, fundador de Instagram.
I suggest you enjoy the stunning views of Miami. I also want to inform you that this is only the first part of our trip. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and leave your comments.
And coming up on the left hand side, Monument Island, la isla Monumento, costado izquierdo. You guys see the obelisk all the way to the end, the Monument Island. That's in memory to Henry Flagler. He brought the railway system to South Florida. Al fondo de la isla Monumento vemos un obelisco en memoria al señor Henry Flagler, quien trajo los ferrocarriles al sur de la...